All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. Greetings, mentor. Greetings. Now, here comes one out of the whole messages I've been getting. So let me just read it out the way it came in, okay? This from a subscriber, YouTube subscriber, and I don't joke with my subscribers' message. You can always contact me for inquiry, for my mentorship courses, for my programs. You can actually send me message and I will respond to you, okay? Now, this is coming from one of them. He says, "Hi, good evening, sir. Sir, please, can you make a video about Wmarkets broker? Because it's been a while, they are not paying. If you deposit, you can't withdraw. No customer support, bro." And when I saw this one, I got touched because what is the essence of a broker? If not deposit, withdrawal, customer assistance. Now he says, if you deposit, you can't withdraw. If you, what's it called? No customer assistance and all of that. So please, to confirm this further, if you have similar issues, drop on the comment section that you have a complaint about Wmarket. I believe that they will come across this video and actually address all necessary things needed to be addressed. Please, if you have issues with Wmarket and you're watching this video, narrate your own problem in the comment section so that whenever they come across this video, they will take it seriously. Now, the thing is, every company has issues. No broker, even Xnest, at a certain time of their operation, had issues with withdrawals, issues with all kind of things. And take note, Wmarket is a fresh broker, a new broker. They just started, and they're also bound to having glitch in their network or issues around their broker. What matters is resolving those issues as soon as possible. Secondly, one thing we should know is if a broker is having an issue like this, before you drag the broker, make sure you reach out to the owners of the broker. Very important. And that's exactly what I did. And that's why I'm here doing this video now. I actually reached out to the founders of this broker. And I'm going to tell you what they said is happening right now. And of course, they will even come and address you guys. Okay? They will also come and address you guys very soon. That's what I believe. Now, all right, so this is exactly what the team told me about what's going on with the brand. And before I actually read it out, let me also sound this to you guys. There is always competition between brokers, So even some persons who never had a bad experience about this broker, Wmarket, they are all over the media shouting Wmarket has killed them. Wmarket is not deposit, trying to pull the name or drag the name to the mud. Take note of that too. So that's even why I said if you have issues, drop it on the comment section. Let us verify such informations. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and share with you what the team said. Okay. The team said we are all good. When I wrote to them, they said we are good. Our back office got hacked, so we had to slow down our withdrawal flow to give our IT team time to fix the situation. Withdrawal was slowed down, not totally denied. If you have not gotten your withdrawal, you will still get your withdrawal. Take note of that. The withdrawal process was slowed down because of this particular issue and to give the IT system time to resolve their problems, right? It continues by saying withdrawals are still being processed as we speak, and customer service is attending to all the affected traders. Now, traders who are actually affected, customer care is in touch with them so that you know who to pay attention to, because social media, when things like this happen, a lot of persons try to drag anything, even those that are not affected by what we are saying, and then the sole target or the aim is just to make sure they drag this broker to the mud, right? That is another part. Then going forward, it says it is a new broker and these things are bound to happen, just like when they launched WFunded. Good. And WFunded right now is one of the topping pro firms right now. Okay. So he says, I will also be addressing the issue live on YouTube this weekend. I appreciate you as always. Right? All right. So in conclusion, you have seen what the team has to say about that. I want to say sorry, even though I'm not the owner of the broker. I'm just trying to get facts and also react to my brother's question. The team says they are working on your withdrawals and all of that. Okay, so let's just exercise a little more patience. I didn't just come to drag them, and that's how I've been doing. Before I even talk about any brand or any company, I first of all reach out to them first. But sometimes some brokers or some company they feel too big to even respond to me, and that's why I come to the channel and talk about them. So since Wmarkets says we should give them time, please they should do that as soon as possible. That's my own part of it, because people's money are actually in their hands. Anything they are doing, they should do it very very fast, because no client expected to deposit money into their broker's account and would not get it. You know what I'm saying? So please, I know that Dapo Willis might come across this video, or his team or his management in any form. Please, this video is just to remind you guys that we want you guys to act very fast. Okay, so that will be all for this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on the notification bell on, so each time I post a new video you will be the first to see me. See you next time. Bye for now.